So, a little bit of an update regarding the Procurement Act 2023. We're almost a year into it now. Now, what I'm going to be talking about here is Section 70 of the Act. This is the requirement for buyers to be publishing on the central digital platform spend over £30,000 that they are spending with suppliers relating to contracts, frameworks, etc. So that 30,000, I would say, includes VAT. So from the 1st of April, this will apply to any procurement starting from that date onwards. The first time you're going to see any publication, because it's going to be published quarterly, is the 29th of July, and then every quarter on from that. Essentially, what the buyer is going to be showing, who they are spending with, so the supplier's name, the incumbent's name, your competitors, the value, how much they're spending over that quarter. For that transparency and traceability, the identification number, the unique identification number of that particular procurement, plus the date of when those payments were made. There's a few exclusions to it, not massively so, but I think it's always important to stay familiar with what's happening, and also really it's about helping you get better, prepare and plan and be successful with your bids.